going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. You guys can see we got a clogged toilet here. I don't know if they tried using their auger, but we're going to use my auger to see if we can figure out what's going on. Seems like maybe they try to auger somewhat snake in the bathtub there. It seems like there might be something at the bottom of the toilet. We're going to throw the auger back down. Well, it seems like there's still something in there. All right. We managed to get through it. You can tell because we're right down at the bottom there. Just for fun, there's a little button there. I'm gonna press that and we're gonna snake it. Make sure you can see that little button there. So we're just basically gonna make sure that we get right to the stack. So we're right there. So now that's 6 feet in. This is the Ridgid Auger K-6P. So this is also a Ridgid Auger K-6P, but basically, I'm going to show you because so no drop head on that one. So we now know that the K-6P Has nothing to do with the drop head. It's just a 6-foot auger. Oh, we got that there. Press that in. All right, so the little buttons there. Nothing came out, came back clean. So what we're also going to do, since we're here, we're going to take our old truck antenna. And inside here, there is this black insert. Now, that has a clip right on the inside here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe, maybe not. I can't tell. So there's a clip right here, basically. Flip it over. Then we're going to pull the whole thing up, right? Then there's a couple things you can do. I like using this. Snake it out. And that basically gets us right in the bowl. Another thing you could do, got a bucket here. Got some water. Just pour down there. Basically what's happening is this is a siphon. And what it does, the air helps these toilets, or it allows them to use less water. That's why they're garbage, because they're using less water. But sometimes you plug up the toilet, you plunge it, because that's air, you can actually force paper and other stuff up that siphon. And then it will dry out and eventually not flush anymore. So we're just going to give it a flush. I'm just going to see if he's got any toilet paper. Hey, brother.
Yeah.
Do you have any toilet paper?
Yeah, I do.
Can I have a roll? I got to test this, make sure everything's working.
Yeah. What was it?
I don't know. There was something at the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Nothing came out, so it could have just been a buildup.
There we go.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, it's weird. Like it just stopped.
Yeah, sometimes it'll do that. These toilets are not the best. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, you get what you pay for.
That's exactly it. So I just want to fill this up just a little bit more. Basically want to make sure that toilet is completely filled with water. Oh, that looked good. I like to always put multiple wads in to make sure that everything is gonna go properly. I hate these toilets. If you guys don't know, this is a Hennessy Hinchcliffe or Niagara Stealth. It's got a double trap. That's why I hate them. And it's basically a hairpin turn at the bottom, and it's like anything big or bulky can get stuck up inside. Definitely a garbage toilet. I'll tell you guys this. The only time you will ever see me say that this is a good toilet is if they pay me. If you guys ever see me say that this is a good toilet, I'm getting paid, just so you guys know. But hey, Niagara Stealth, Hennessy Hinchcliffe, reach out. I think we're good, guys. Give it one more just to be safe. All right, what's going on, guys? I want to thank you for watching. If you guys liked the video, check out this video here and this video here. Apparently YouTube recommends those. One of them is probably my most recent, and one of them is recommended by YouTube. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy. Trapway.